hub, like I was saying, but each one of them has a power source to recharge batteries. Okay, and it's actually more practical to remove them because where the camera grabs, it has a magnet, so you can just remove your camera easier than this one. This one you have to unscrew it, or you actually need to run an extension and charge it at the location. So it's kind of like, either way, it's kind of like not that practical. But we'll see. For now, let me just keep doing the update. I'll go to the next one and see what happens. I'm gonna pause the video right now. My apologies for these little complaints, but I mean, I used a lot of cameras in the past, and these cameras are the most expensive cameras that I'm buying. Well, I purchased other cameras that were for NVRs with Ethernet cables and power on the Ethernet cable. Those were more expensive back in the days. But this nowadays, everything's a lot cheaper, you know? And this camera is still expensive. So anyway, let me pause the video. And it does look like for local storage, this hub, it looks like you need to add a USB. I don't know if it's just just a USB, you know, for storage, or you're gonna add an external hard drive. So I'll find out, I'll find out what to do in a case like that. But yeah, for local storage, for now you get 30 days when you first purchase the cameras. But after the 30 days, you either have to pay for a subscription or you have to do your local storage here. In my case, I'm probably gonna do the local storage. I'm not gonna pay for a subscription. As it is, like I said, the cameras are expensive. My other cameras, most of them, I was able to put micro SD cards. The other one cameras, they limit supposed to be 32, but I put 512s. So I have plenty of storage with my other cameras. And that's free. I just have to pay for my 512 micro SD cards for each one of my cameras. My older cameras, there's an NVR, with cameras, like I was telling you, those, they have the power cables through the Ethernet cable. I mean, the power is on the Ethernet cable. And those cameras, the NVR has like, I don't know, so many terabytes hard drive, whatever, So those are working and they're recording 24/7. This one with the battery, I need to learn how this is gonna record. If it's gonna record motion, if it's gonna record 24/7. I have my other cameras, the lower price cameras they're recording 24/7, but I put micro SD cards. And to some of those, like I said, I put 512s. Some other ones I'm using the 32 gigabyte that is recommended by the manufacturer, but the other ones I put 250 and 512s. And they're good. They're real good cameras. I mean, for the price, like I said, we're looking at cameras that were like $20, when they first came out. Right now, the prices went up. I was kind of supporting the vendor by buying their cameras when they first came out. And they were about $20. Now they're about $35, $40. So anyway, I'll keep doing the update. And after that, I guess we're going to be done for now. So let me check what's going on. See, after doing the update, we're able to see the cameras. And I'm going to mess around with the settings, this and that, whatever, get familiar with them. For now, I just wanted to unbox the cameras and show you what you get when you purchase one of these ARLO Pro 4XL. That's what you get. You get 3 cameras. They have a light. They have a large rechargeable battery. Only one charger. They have a hub. Kind of like the hub, I'm not going to say that it's a plus. To me, that's a setback, when they give you a camera with a hub, Most of the cameras nowadays, they're IP cameras, so they can work individually without any kind of hub, I'm surprised that a system like this, they actually have a hub, but hey, that's the way it is. $20, $30 cameras, they don't need a hub, This one, for some reason, needs it. They're not IP cameras. So let's hope they're good cameras. But you see, that's the way they are right now. That's what they are. Let me see. And how can we see this live? Just looking at this, trying to see if I can see this camera live. Let me see if I can go to the settings here. Device on, connected, power management, video settings. Let's see video settings. Oh, local live streaming. So we need to change the settings to be able to have live. Rotate 180, we don't have to do that right now. Okay, auto zoom and tracking. Okay, so we're good. So I guess these cameras, we need to turn on the live video in order for them to be showing us live. Let's see. Well, I don't know. But like I said, I just need to get familiar with this. I need to play with the settings, spend more time, and I just wanted to show you the unboxing of these cameras. And like I said, they're working now, but I still have to get familiar with them. Okay, let's see. This one shows here the notifications that we're getting. Shows just now, 2 minutes ago on this camera number 2, number 3, 12 minutes ago. So let's see. Devices. And okay. Yeah, it's just basically right now, not recording, it's just taking pictures. Well, this one here might have a video. Let me see. See? That's what the camera's recording right now. Oh, it is live video. Oh, okay, so that's how you see live video. You need to actually play the video that is showing. Let me see if that's the way it works on camera number 2, or do I need to change the settings on that one too? Oh no, same thing. That's live. Okay, let's go live on the other one. So that's live. And this one, camera number 3. My apologies for the noise. So let's change. Let's mute this. Mute that one. Mute that one. And we're muting that one. Okay. So yeah, they're working live. So for some reason, when I went into this one and make some change to the settings, let's see, devices. Okay, but anyway, that's how they work. So I'll be playing with these cameras after I do the installation and doing more, getting more familiar with the settings and everything. You know, for now, I just wanted to show you the unboxing, guys, and now the cameras are working. It's not a big deal to get them set up. And like I said, it's just a matter of getting familiar with the settings, you know, and seeing what is the best performance that I can get out of them without wasting a lot of battery. So for now, the batteries look like they're not fully charged, so they have to be fully charged before I do the installation. So I'm gonna be charging one right now overnight, and the other 2, let's keep charging them later. Okay, well, thank you guys. We need more subscribers. Until next time, this is Beto Chingon. Bye.